Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be showing you Android 9 on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. This is Android version 9 or Android Pie, along with Samsung One UI 1.1. This has not fully released to the US versions of the Tab S4 just quite yet. It has come out in France on the LTE and Wi-Fi only models, but I was able to use a program and download the French version and install it on my US Tab S4. It still installs the same software. As you can see here, I will pull it up. We are running One UI version 1.1, Android version 9, and you can see the build number right there. Get that a little bit closer. You can see the build number right there. It still is the right build for the US version. It just is not available OTA for the US quite yet. Everything is going to be pretty much the same. All the features are the same as the Tab S4 had on Oreo. You get your Pie features such as your rounded icons and quick toggles. You get your night mode, which I'm going to turn back off because it makes the screen hard to see. You get your night mode. You get your redesigned settings and stuff like that. Everything is rounded. You get your new notifications. It does have digital well-being. Device maintenance went to device care right there. You get your gestures if you choose to use those. Let's see. You can turn off the navigation bar, and you can use your gestures if you choose to use those. I prefer to use the navigation bar still, just me. So you can choose what you want there, navigation buttons or full screen gestures. So we're going to go back to the buttons. So that's pretty nice. All your wallpapers and everything like that are the same. Everything is running really well. So they didn't add a ton of new features for the Tab S4, but they did bring over all the stuff that you would expect to see and that all the other Samsung flagship devices got when they went from Oreo to Pie. So very nice upgrade overall. This will be rolling out OTA shortly, hopefully within the next week or so. Like I said, if you want to download it, check out the XDA forum. If you're familiar with that, go to the XDA forum for the Tab S4, and you can find some download links on there to download this and use Odin to flash your Tab S4 before the update rolls out OTA. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.